Crazy Magic Hand Show, episode 3.
Hello, I am the great Honduras, and here's my assistant, Bobby. Hello, Sad, I'm here. Okay, Bobby, get that first trick out. Okay, for my first trick, I will magically solve a Rubik's Cube. Here is the current Rubik's Cube, and the finished one. Ta-da! Boo!
Boo! You stink! Get off the stage!
You don't tell me what to do!
I think I do.
And now for my next trick is the Great Globe Spin! Woo!
Anyone can do that.
You don't know how to do magic! And watch this! Ta-da!
That sucked.
Nobody needs...
You're a unicorn.
Nobody needs any comments from the peanut gallery.
I'm not a
Okay,
peanut.
sir,
You are.
It is my turn. What are you talking about, Bobby? It is my segment. The Throw Things at Mr. Pandini Show. What?
Get off the stage. Ah!
Okay.
Ow!
Okay. For my third act, I'm going to do the magical thumb trick. Ow! Ow! Ooh!
My hand handler.
My thumb is off. Boo! 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 Certain stuff. Boo!
Oh, me. Good. Guess that shouldn't have done that. Build-A-Bear shorts. A shoe.
Ow!
Clothes. Woo! The ladies are taking it off for you.
Ow! Ow! Oh!
Underpants. Brush its hair.
Ow!
Just get off the stage. I think he's dead.
And